Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. In this timely manifesto, the authors of the New York Times bestseller Rework broadly reject the prevailing notion that long hours, aggressive hustle, and whatever it takes are required to run a successful business today. In Rework, Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansson introduced a new path to working effectively. Now, they build on their message with a bold, iconoclastic strategy for creating the ideal company culture, what they call the calm company. Their approach directly attacked the chaos, anxiety, and stress that plagues millions of workplaces and hampers billions of workers every day. Long hours, an excessive workload, and a lack of sleep have become a badge of honor for modern professionals. But it should be a mark of stupidity, the authors argue. Sadly, this isn't just a problem for large organizations. Individuals, contractors, and solopreneurs are burning themselves out the same way. The answer to better productivity isn't more hours, it's less waste and fewer things that induce distraction and persistent stress. It's time to stop celebrating crazy, and start celebrating calm, Fried and Hansson assert. Fried and Hansson have the proof to back up their argument. Calm has been the cornerstone of their company's culture since Basecamp began 20 years ago. Destined to become the management guide for the next generation, It Doesn't Have to Be Crazy at Work is a practical and inspiring distillation of their insights and experiences. It isn't a book telling you what to do. It's a book showing you what they've done, and how any manager or executive, no matter the industry or size of the company, can do it too. It's a great book not as a book per se, but as a proof that things can be different than we are made to believe. It's like a fairy tale that takes you in a different time and place. It shows you some things can work in the real world if you think about others as people, not as a way to achieve billions.